Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial.
Hello, Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are here in Kharpocho and the beautiful place and best area of the Kharpocho, and we are going to the beach side and our all family is here and we are going to start our journey.
So guys, the siren is going up the stairs, so I'm going also there. So the weather is quite hot today, so we bring umbrella with us. If you also come in this spring or summer, what season is this, come with umbrella. If there's rain, you should also come with umbrella with you. So let's go, we will start our beautiful journey. Let's go.
So guys, we are going to upside and look at me with umbrella.
Yes
Guys,
guys.
it's very hot season and we are going upside.
So guys, we have bring some food inside.
Hello, Assalamualaikum guys.
It is a beautiful place in Skardu. You should also come here. Thousands of people come here and enjoy. I'm also enjoying this. 3 points that you should keep in your mind that no, don't come with heels, but come with joggers and bring fresh water and cool water with you and bring umbrella.
And I will show you the beauty of this place. The beauty of the Skardu, you can see here Juma Masjid and all other places, greeneries and water and this river. There is Karam Mountains. Yes, Karam Mountain Range, Himalayan Mountain Range. All can you see here, and I think there is fire on the.
You should come with water because water is best to your health.
What was the king name?
Sher Khan Anchal.
Yes, the Sher Khan Anchal. He was the king here. And the historical Kharpocho. It is very historical Kharpocho royal fort. It is a royal fort. Where it is 14th century. It's made in 14th century.
Yes. There's modern arms and the east and same west writers. It remembered modern army and modern army. So the word is about Hal Anchal, where he was the king and he ruled about this. He ruled in the kingdom of Abkiru. So let's go. I think there's more information about Kharpocho. We will tell you. So let's go.
Here is safety fence. We do not want to make disturbance and noise here because if you fall down, you will be die. Look at how up
If you
we are.
come with your children or 10 or 3 children come here, so take care of this. Only here are fences, but there's no fences. Look at the mountains. It is so much scary. Why I am taking so much breath?
Let's go.
Look guys, here you can see all the Pakistan shops and
Places and you can see the endless river. And here is always there place to sit and watch the beautiful places of Skardu.
yes, I have seen the Kibra Science Mat also belongs here. I forgot the name. I think he was Jain. He come and visit the beautiful places, and he was doing introduction about the Kharpocho. I feel very happy that
But the fence are made in steel, metal I think. It is not the wood metal. So we are going upside, seeing up. Most dangerous place in here is this side. You can see it is broken, and if you walk up down, then you will free of your fate. And it is very important for our exercise of daily life. And I suggest a message for the Skardu mans that they come here and do exercise daily. Thanks. Look guys, there is a Kharpocho and we are finally on there and we are going.
Simon, can I ask something?
Yes.
If they will take a ticket,
Yes, they will take ticket.
how much will that?
Yeah, I think 150 rupees.
Okay, that's nothing. Come.
So guys, we are finally.
Hooray!
The day of the Kharpocho. And we are here.
Here we come.
Yes.
I'm very thirsty.
हाँ जी खारपोचो बनाया है 800 ईस्वी में 7,000 फौज ने 41 साल से बन चुका है। 1190 سے رجب معقول ابراہیم آ رہا ہے. اس کے بعد اسد سیں گے، سکھ سیں گے، بک سیں گے، غوطہ سیں گے. 1300 سے مسلمان مکمل ہوا ہے. 1400 میں رجب وہاب معقول ہے. 1500 میں شیر علی خان انچن ہے. 1600 میں احمد خان ہے. 1700 میں دولت نصیر ہے. 1840 تک آپ معقول ہے. کھارپور جو بنایا ہے بیٹے کے لیے نہیں بنایا ہے، جنگ کے لیے بنایا ہے. کھارپور جو 8 منزل بنایا ہے. 7 منزل انڈیا نے 1948 کے دوران سے وہ آگ جلایا، 7 منزل گرایا، ختم کیا. ایک منزل رہ گیا، لوگوں نے گرایا. یہ ہے کام.
This fort is not for staying. It's for fighting with another empire. Yes, Lord. In 1900 CE, and there was 8 floors of it, but the Indian burned the floor, and the last one the Muslim broke it, and this is the last area.
Yes, he has more information about this. The wars between India and Pakistan.
And this is very beautiful and like historical places.
Yes.
And there are many kings of this fort. Thousands of kings stay here and go.
Guys, look, you can also see because this is old, because look at this fence and this wood. These are so much old looking, and there's not we still will go from here. But this is the funny thing is that. So let's go inside. I cannot wait more. Guys, take my bag inside how I can run. Oh, give me. See. So let's go.
So guys, we will show the beautiful places of Australia.
Yes.
So let's go. Come with me.
And the door was ready. Ouch. Now,
So downside. Oh my God.
now look at the beautiful
I'm so scared to look. I will be aside. Look the beautiful place of Skardu. Oh my God, mashallah, so beautiful place.
Guys, look at that. There are more flags up.
Yes, there is 4, 3, 4.
So guys, the prayer caller is calling the prayer girl. So we will offer prayer on
There
there.
is the old masjid. I think it's there now, and the beautiful place of the castle. There is castle. I am very happy. I think it is not beautiful, but it is very beautiful. Inside is beautiful.
And we are so much happy we should have
more.
what we bring for lunch?
I think we bring kebab.
Yes, kebab and lace. Let's go.
Look guys, there is flower inside. Not real fake flower, but the old masjid is here. There is 2 doors, but now the first door is closed and this second door is also.
This is not a door, this is window. Are you gonna match?
Here is lock.
Guys, it is going to break, I think. Look at this. It's so much stuff there. It's looking like that. It is coming earthquake. Oh, that's right.
So guys, we are in the top of it, but we are in fun interest, but we do not want to forget Allah. Allah is the biggest in this world. So we want to offer prayer, so I am going to offer the prayer. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Bismillah. Oh God, increase my knowledge. All our people will be happy their life. I will pray also for you and Palestine because they are in trouble. Oh God, save their lives and increase our knowledge. Thank you.
This is the beautiful end of our vlog video. So like, share, subscribe my channel. Share is very important to my channel. Okay, sir. Okay, next Sunday we will go another places like Chunda Valley and Desert Indus River. We will go, but you want to subscribe and share our channel.
We are doing this all for you, and we have you have liked our video, so we got our confidence level up. So we talk to the English. What they was from Mexico.
Mexicans, we talk to Mexicans.
Yes, Mexico, and what was that?
Mexican and Germany.
Germany, yes. So thank you. Bye. Nice to meet you. See you again.